Okay, the main theme of the story and the lesson in the story is that we should not judge by anyone by their appearance, but when we do not know much about someone, we can understand them wrongly. We judge people by their appearance, not by how they really are. Okay, that is very wrong. Okay, we should judge the people by how they really are, not by their appearance. Okay, this is the lesson of the story. Okay, now move to next page. There is exercise for you. Listen to this version and complete it with the words from the boxes. Okay, here are some words in the box: clay, jams, good, doll, tree, fairy, and gum. And this is a short story in 2 paragraphs about Nancy and a Momita the fairy. Okay, a small story, imaginary story. First, you complete this story with the help of these words. Okay, and Nancy had to find Momita the fairy. He thought hard and said, I know, I'll make a doll with some clay. Okay, this is the word clay. You write over here clay. Now I'll cover it with sticky gum. This is the word gum. He put the doll under a tree. This is the word tree. He smiled and said, next I'll put a bowl of yams in front of the doll. After a while, Momita the dash came along. Momita the good, Momita the fairy came along. Okay, Momita the fairy, and said, some yams, they look good. So she ate all the yams. Okay. Next, after she finished, she said thank you. But the doll did not answer. I said thank you. So answer me. Momita shouted with rage. Still, the doll did not answer. She was so angry that she hit the doll. Her hands stuck to the doll. Got you? Said Anansi. So Anansi took her to Nine, and at last he got his stories. Okay, this is the imaginary, again imaginary a small story. In this story, we read about that Anansi, about an Momita the fairy. Okay, and he he thought hard and said that now Nancy make a doll with the clay. Okay, and cover it with the sticky gum. Okay, and put the doll under the tree, and put a bowl of yams are a candies, okay, in front of the doll. But doll is made of clay, so how she ate it? So after a while, Momita the fairy came along. Then suddenly Momita the fairy came along there and said, the Momita the fairy ate all the yams. Okay, and when she finished, she said thank you to the doll, because the bowl of yam are in front of doll. And but the doll did not answer, because it is a made of clay. How she answer her? Okay, I said thank you. Again Momita the fairy said, I said thank you, give me an answer me. Momita shouted with rage. Now Momita get angry that why the doll did not answer her. Still, the doll did not answer. She was so angry. Now, the Momita fairy was so angry that she hit the doll. Now, she hit the doll with her hand, and the doll is made of clay and stick with the sticky gum. So, the hands of Momita the fairy stuck to the doll, and Anansi took her to the Nine, the king of the sky, and last he got his stories. Okay, now what are the characters in this story? The Anansi and the Momita the fairy. Okay, now with the help of this story, you complete this exercise. Okay, this is also a type of play script. Okay, first of all, first is there characters. Okay, what two characters? the Anansi the spider, and the Momita the fairy. Okay, Anansi, I know. Now you make this story in the form of lines. Okay, not with the help of words. Okay, now what Anansi said, that I know I'll make a doll with some clay and now I'll cover it with a sticky gum. Okay, he puts the doll under a tree and smiles. And on this line you write, next put a bowl of yams in front of doll. Momita the fairy came onto the stage. Momita, some yams, they look good. She eats all the yams. Say thank you. The doll says nothing. So here we do not write anything. Okay, on the next line, I said thank you. So answer me. The doll says nothing. Momita hits it and her hands stick to it. Anansi said, got you. Narrator, so Anansi took her to Naim and got his stories. So we write a small story in these lines. Okay, and your next book is your workbook. Okay, first match the answers to the question, and there are some one is done for you, like one is joined with E, like how elephants useful, they can pull down trees. So one is joined with E. Now see the sentence 2. 2 is what can a donkey do? Donkey pull, it can pull a cart. So here you write 2 is combined with B. So here you write B. Okay, now see the third one. What do we get from sheep? They give us milk, meat, and leather. So 3 combined with C. So here you write C. Fourth one is, what food do bees make? They make honey. So fourth is joined with the F. So here you write F. Number fifth, what do cows give us? They we get milk, meat, and wool. Sorry, what do we get from sheep? We get milk, meat, and wool. And what do cows give us? They give us milk, meat, and leather. And what does a camel do? It carries heavy loads on its back. Okay, 6 combined with A, so here you write A. Okay, now this is a C exercise number 16. Okay, now first see exercise number 14. Write 2 question and answer of your own in your notebook using the sentences pattern from exercise number 13. So you make 2 questions with the same pattern. Okay, like you write any animal name and complete our question with the help of this pattern, and give an answer also with the help of this pattern. Any 2 questions by yourself. Okay, and write it in your notebook. Next, we read the play script, but do not write anything. Just read the play script. Okay, 16. Write these stage directions A to F in the play script in exercise number 17. Now here are statements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 statements are there. Okay, first one is the men hang under the sheep. It is evening. Menelik serves some more food to the Cyclops, and Solimix crawls out from the under the sheep. It is morning. Solimix shakes Menelik by the shoulder, and they are discussing their plans to escape. Okay, now this is the exercise number 17, and you put these statements over here in the correct on the correct line. First one is done for you, like they are discussing their plan of escape to escape. Now as you can see in this picture, there are 2 men and they are discussing their plans to escape. So this is a correct sentence and we write it right over here. Now as you can see in the picture number 2, Menelaus look at the Cyclops. He is very sleepy. In this picture, this one is Cyclops and he get very sleepy. Okay, and Solimix give him some food. Menelaus, aha, then we will fall asleep. Give him some more food. Okay, Menelaus. So this one, Menelaus serves some more food to the Cyclops. You write over here. And here this is the time of evening because Cyclops is very sleepy, so here you can write it is evening, and here Menelik serves some more food to the Cyclops. Okay, in picture number 3, this one, Solomic's time to get up. I've got an idea. So it is a time to get up. It means it is a morning time. Okay, so you write this line. It is morning. Solomic shakes Menelik by the shoulder. Okay. Next is picture number 4, the Cyclops. Here's another sheep going out. Let me feel your back, okay, on your way, my beauty. Okay, now as you can see here, picture number 4. Okay, okay, here you can see like this boy is hang under the sheep. Okay, so here you can write the first A sentence, this one, the man hang under the sheep. Here you can write the man hang under the sheep. Okay, and when Cyclops said, here's nothing, another sheep going out, let me your back, okay, on your way, my beauty. Solmix, hurry, hooray, we are free at last. So here you can write that Solomix, the man, crawls out from under the sheep. Okay, so they escape from this cave. Okay, so you complete this with the help of these statements, and this is all about today, and this is all about your lesson number 3. Allah Hafiz.